yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to laugh while others used to play. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. But you and I, our love will never die. The girls who cry come first of May. The apple tree that grew for you and me, I watch the apples falling one by one, and I recall the moment of them all. The day I kissed your cheek and you were gone. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small.
Hi Lex, happy birthday! Welcome to the Senior Club. Kakaroon ka na ng maraming benefits. Ayan, so enjoy the most of it and tara na! Happy birthday!
Hi Lex! Isang puso ka puso. May puso is easy. But he's an amazing manager. And at top total is, but I'm so proud of what you have become. And I wish you more great things in life and to stay healthy over those years. But to remind you, always a happy life. And a happy life is to keep a happy wife. Bye, Senyor!
Happy birthday, Titit! Kailan tayo mag-retire? Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday. Hi, Manager Tit. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best and welcome to the Club of Discounts. We will be waiting for your birthday treat. Thank you.
Heart! That means we love you, Tit. Pasensya sa eye bags. Sleep deprived for 2 days dahil sa linog. Pero in fairness, lipstick ko, nag-lipstick para makagreet ko sa imo, ha. Anyways, nag-usap kami ni Bong and since tulog na siya ngayon, we decided na ako na lang mag-greet sa'yo. So, ito yung message namin. Happy 60th birthday, and our only wish for you is to have
the happiest, healthiest, and longest senior life ever, ever, ever. So that you'll be able to enjoy your apos longer and be able to travel with your loved ones, especially Doc. Happy birthday, Tip. Enjoy the week. It's your birthday week. And we love you again.
Hi, Manager Alexis Dapyosen Arumpa. Happy birthday. From four of us from the law school, you were the only one who managed to reach the pinnacle of our career in GFIS. But you remained faithful, sweet, and humble. Stay that way, Manager David. Love you. I wish you more happy year, birthdays, and more applause to enjoy in the future. We love you, Tit.
Happy birthday po to Alex. We have more birthdays to come po.
Alex, age is just a number. Welcome to the club. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Lex.
Assalamualaikum, Lex. Happy birthday sa aming very generous at mabait na kapitbahay. Salamat sa lahat and may you have the best of everything. Good health, more blessings, and long life para ma-enjoy ang mga apo. Lex, meron pa mag-greet sa iyo, oh.
Lex, Ed Milan. Welcome to the club pala. Dalawang tayo magbisita doon sa may wanyo nyo. Magpa-picture.
Hello. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and especially the social media, that I will be able to send my personal greetings sa iyo, Manager Alex. A very happy birthday. And of course, welcome to the Seniors Association. That I know you will be excited na to use and enjoy the perks, to be one, the benefits and the privileges. And this time, you will consider yung SC card na yan the most kinakusgan na card. Kasi sa mga parking, kahit na may fee yan, walang payment pag sinipakita mo at meron ka pang slot. Kaya sa mga linya-linya, mauuna ka talaga. Lahat, very privileged kaayo ang seniors dito sa Philippines. Pero, you don't look one pa naman nga senior Lex, no? Ay, gaganahan na siya. Kasi, pakita mo na lang yung card mo. And then, it will be very memorable talaga, Lex, if you will use your senior card first time with us. No? Diba? Hindi namin nakakalimutan yun. Inaabangan namin yun, Lex. Anyway, I won't spoil your day. Again, happy birthday, and may you have more love, more happiness, good health, of course. And then I'm happy na bago ka nag-60, bago ka naging senior, naging manager ka na ng GSIS. Masayang-masaya kami lahat kasi sabay-sabay tayo nag-umpisa sa GSIS. Again, happy birthday, Alex, Manager Alexis Arumpa. Thank you.
sa'yo. Ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.